Alam mo ba, you can travel from Dumaguete to Oslob in 3 hours for less than 300 pesos? Here's how I did it. I started my journey sa Dumaguete Bus Terminal and sumakay ako ng Ceres bus bound for Cebu City via Oslob. Multiple on trips daily, and if you want to know the bus schedule, check nyo na lang sa description or caption ng videong ito. Medyo minalas nga ako kasi dapat 8:30 ang sasakyan ko na bus, but unfortunately nasira daw, so kailangan ipa-check. Sabi naman ng dispatcher, mga 9 AM daw aalis. I was doubtful pa nung una, but to my surprise, umalis nga ang bus by 9 AM. Konti lang kami pasahero, so sobrang luwag ng bus. The bus fare is only 105 pesos from Dumaguete hanggang sa sentro ng Oslob. Bali combination of bus and ferry ang travel na to. From Dumaguete Bus Terminal, nasa 30 minutes ang biyahe to Tampi Port in San Jose, Negros Oriental. From there, isasakay ang bus ng ferry, and ang pamasahe naman ng pasahero sa ferry is 165 pesos. So ang total fare ay 270 pesos lang. Nasa 30 minutes lang ang ferry ride from Tampi to Batu Port in Sambuan, Cebu. Pagdating ng Batu Port naman, sakay ulit ng same bus and we continued our journey towards Oslob. Before 12 noon, nasa Oslob town proper na ako. Sobrang convenient and comfortable ng travel. Yun lang for now. Until next vlog, amping!